In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly account. If you're brand new to Calendly, it's a simple scheduling tool that helps people pick a time on your calendar without endless back and forth emails. We'll keep this quick and clear, and by the end, you'll have your account created and ready for the next steps. First, open your browser and go directly to calendly.com. Make sure you're on the official site. The address bar should show calendly.com with a secure connection. On the homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. They both take you to the same place, so click whichever you see. This brings up the account creation screen. Now create your account using the method that fits you best. You can sign up with your email or choose to continue with your Google or Microsoft account for automatic calendar integration. If you choose Google or Microsoft, you'll be redirected to select your account and grant permissions. Approving those permissions lets Calendly read your busy and free times and add events to your calendar when someone books with you. That's the key to avoiding double bookings. Pick the account that holds the calendar you use most. Work if this is for business, personal if it's just for you. You can review or adjust these permissions later in your Google or Microsoft security settings. After you confirm, you'll land back in Calendly with your calendar connected. If you prefer using an email address, enter it, create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere, and continue. This option keeps things simple to start, and you can connect a calendar later from your account settings when you're ready. Some people like this route if they want to explore the interface before linking anything. As you complete sign up, Calendly may ask for basics like your time zone and a display name. Confirm your time zone carefully. This ensures invitees see accurate availability in their own local time. If it detects your time zone automatically, still give it a quick look to be sure. That's it. You've navigated to the site and created your Calendly account, either with direct email sign up or with Google or Microsoft for instant calendar integration. From here, you're all set to move on to customizing availability and sharing your scheduling link, but the foundation is now in place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.